Good morning, dear 10th class students. Okay, so today we are starting our one new properties with the chemical, that is with water. In last properties, we already discussed about the reaction of metal with air or oxygen. Today we are starting our next properties, it means next chemical properties with water. Okay, so second is when reaction with water. Reaction with water. It means metal plus water, and that is liquid, and metal plus water, that is gas, means steam. That is steam. Okay. That is metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas, and plus that is oxide plus hydrogen gas. So I hope you are understanding. And last things we already discussed, with when metal is react with that gas, it means simply the with oxygen, then also formation of this metal oxide. And now it means water if in the form of steam. You know about that 9th class, you already seen that, which makes more severe ones, like, so you know about that steam contains, it means the boiling water or that steam, so you know about that, which we can get a more severe burns through the steam, because steams contain a latent extra heat. So that's why steam are generally having some extra energy, and they also have to sometimes combine with water metal and formation of metal oxide. So we should start with some examples. Okay. So we are taking one example is with uh, sodium. Okay, that is with sodium. So what with the sodium? 2Na plus 2H2O, and formation of 2NaOH plus H2. In this case, we are generally taking here only the cold water. Okay, it means we are react with cold, okay, water. Second one, the potassium. Okay, potassium, you know about that also. It means in when you will see the high reactivity series or activity series, you will see that this sodium, it means Na, and potassium K, magnesium, aluminum, you will see at the upper side. It means in that they are having the mostly highly reactive metals. They are considered as the mostly highly reactive metals, and at the downside you will see the after that hydrogen, like that, copper, okay, platinum, silver, gold, or like that substance. Okay, so potassium means, so that 2K plus 2H2O, then formation of 2KOH plus H2. Okay, here also this is the cold water. Okay, the cold water. After that we will see one more example through the calcium. That means you are able to understand what I am writing here. It means different type of metals. Actually, we are studying here how metals are having the reactivity with the water. With the, it means reaction with water. So it means reaction with water means reaction of metals with water. Reaction of metals with water. So like calcium, okay, this is sodium, this is potassium, and this is calcium. Okay. So for calcium, like Ca plus 2H2O, then uh, sorry, calcium hydroxide plus H2. Okay, Ca plus 2H2O, 2H. Okay. So when calcium reacts with water, then formation of calcium hydroxide. Okay, and also here sometimes we can use hot and cold water. Okay, hot water we also can use. They can react with that with cold water also, and then magnesium. Then the magnesium. Okay, then Mg plus 2H2O, then also formation of magnesium hydroxide plus H2. But when you will go that this is also can be the hot or cold water, they also can be take with hot or cold water. But when you will go at the downside, when you will go at the downside, it means now we are talking about the aluminum, zinc, iron, or like that substance. Okay, so they are not reacting properly with the hot and cold water. So some metals like aluminum, zinc, iron, copper do not react with cold or hot water, but they they can react with water, steam, but they can react with water steam. Okay, that means some metals like aluminum, zinc, and iron, copper do not react with cold and hot water, but they can react with the water stream. So how they can react with water stream? So look, okay, for different examples we are hearing, okay, like aluminum. These all are having the water steam, okay, these all are having the, it means they are all are in the form of water steam. So also you have can write here gas. Okay, you can able to write here the gas. Okay, because they all are having the gaseous state. It means they are the in the vapor form. Okay, so look what I am explaining here. Many metals can able to displace their hydrogen. Okay, how metals can displace their hydrogen? So you know about that, how their reactivity strength. It means we can tell that actually what is going on here. Metals can able to displace the hydrogen from the water, then they can able to react. Okay, so you look, you can see here also able to displace, they are also aluminum also displacing here from hydrogen and getting this with the O, and also here Fe is displacing this hydrogen, Zn also here, but only with the steam, so that's why we can see that That's why we can see that the sodium, which is highly reactive, and this potassium, which is the most highly reactive, they can able to displace this hydrogen from that and formation of this 2NaOH and KOH, and calcium also and this magnesium also, but they can react with hot water. They can react with hot water sometimes. But some matters which are that about the reactivity series are only on this based of this different type of experiments. It means how their reactivities are going to be getting on this level. So look like aluminum, which cannot be displaced the hydrogen from the water with the cold and hot water, but they can able to displace or get the reacted, okay, with the gaseous stream. So you can tell that steam are having the more energy to make them react. So aluminum plus 3H2O, it means Al2O3, and 3Fe plus 4H2O, Fe3O4, and Zn plus H2O means ZnO. So they all are reacting with only with the help of this water steam. This water steam. One more experiment we are doing here for explaining this means with water. For that, what we are telling that it means, so you can write this first, okay, and one more experiment and we are doing here, okay, within 2 minutes, okay. So now we are studying that different samples of metals how react with steam, okay. So it means reaction of reaction of different samples of metals like magnesium plus means aluminium and iron and zinc. Zinc and iron. It means reaction of different samples of metals. Reaction of different samples of metals. It means then with steel. With steel. Okay. So you know about that magnesium, aluminum, and zinc and iron will behave or will react with the steam in the different way. Different way means it means sometimes with the metals steam can react with readily, and sometimes they are taking too much time to react. You know what this is the metal samples, okay, and with the steams. So steams having the reactivity with the different samples of metals is with the different in nature. So now we are having a one apparatus, okay, shown here. For that we are taking that one like board like okay, and on that there is a two stands are there, okay. On the two stands we are having two burners, okay, two burners, okay, and on that burner we are having one inverted, okay, tube. That is the boiling tube. That is the boiling tube. That is the boiling tube, okay, and from that boiling tube we are having one here it is a one container. From that we are just filling what is Listen here. What I am showing here. First, we have to take some wet glass wool. Okay, wet glass wool. Okay, glass cotton. Okay, glass wool or wool cotton also. Okay, or glass cotton also. So anything is there we can take here. Okay, so maybe wool or cotton, and that is in the wet condition. That is in the wet condition, and here we are just taking a different samples at other time. It means every time we are taking the different samples here, like different samples, maybe air, sometimes magnesium, zinc, and iron. It means every and each time we will place a different type of samples here, and we are having a here wet. That means glass, wool, or cotton. Okay. So due to that, here is a formation of steam. Here it is a formation of steam, and how this steam is react with the aluminum, magnesium, zinc, and Fe with the step by step. It means one we will take with the we will get the reaction with the steam. It means, and this is the rubber cork. This is delivery tube, and this is the gas jar, inverted form, inverted, okay, inverted. This is a container of water here, and these are collection of H2 gas bubbles. H2 gas bubbles. Okay. So I hope you are understanding what I am explaining here. This is the cotton wool, okay, or cotton wet glass wool, okay, wet glass cotton also. So this creates a steam when we are having the burner at the downside, and this also in the form of some wet condition. In the hot conditions. So one we will place here aluminum, then aluminum react with steam. Next time we will place here Mg, it is magnesium. Magnesium react with steam. Next time we will place here Zn, it means zinc, then react with the steam. Okay, and then we will place a iron with them. Okay, you know about that when the this steam is react with the different type of samples of metal, formation of there may be the hydroxide or oxide in nature, but that ultimately the same thing is formation is that hydrogen gas. So you if this reaction is too much quickly and readily can occur here, then formation of H2 gas also form very quickly. So look, the form when the gas is reaction is going on, then the formation of this H2 gas, H2 gas, we can note down sometime the timing. It means how the formation, how quickly the formation of this H2 gas. On that basis, we have to tell us that what is the behavior or what is the reactive nature of this steam with the different samples of metals like aluminum, zinc, magnesium, and iron. Okay. So you will see that different things, and you can see here the observations for yourself. And when you will see, then you will it means getting the concept or conclusion of that mostly highly reactive in among these metals are magnesium. Okay, because in magnesium there are is a quickly formation of this H2 gases bubbles, and then formation of H2 gases bubbles in the aluminum, then in the Zn, and then in the Fe. So this is the least reactive, and this is the most reactive among these different type of samples which we are taken this for experiment. So I hope you are understanding that this is the water and delivery from through this delivery tube H2 gases, and you know about the how the H2 gas confirmation test. You okay, the lime water of getting the milky and with the the H2 gases bubbles can be with the preparing or means pop sound can be produced with the H2 gas when we are taking nearby or lighting candles. Okay, so these are the, and you can tell now. So some it means one below the hydrogen gas, or sometimes the just near or just downside of this in that many like gold, silver, copper cannot react with steam. It means, so for that we will take, it means for that reactions we will it means take the dilute acids. Okay, means maybe they can able to with the dilute acids or not, but we will see that with the steam. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Okay, so thank you.